Well, just when I thought the layoff train might have been backing off a little bit, we got more layoffs coming at Detroit Assembly at Mac. And it don't look good, man. These are regular full-time employees, and people are freaking out about seniority and what happens next. And these are basically firings. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I hate doing these videos because it affects people's livelihoods. We're coming up on Thanksgiving. Christmas is right around the corner, and this sucks. But got some information that came in that 51 more full-time employees will be indefinitely laid off at Mac this week. With literally no end in sight. They said they only have 3,100 GCs on order to build, so that's Grand Cherokees, in case you didn't know. And today they built over 401 shift. Well, I guess that would be yesterday. They built 401 shift yesterday. They only have an order for 3,100. I think you know what that means. Like in 2 or 3 days, they're going to fulfill that order and they're going to go back on layoffs. The source I got over here says, I'm repeatedly hearing they're planning on running one shift for the remainder of the year, probably rolling layoffs every 2 weeks between day and afternoon shifts. Now, what I found interesting was the comments that came from the staff, from the employees themselves. And then the UAW local published the following. I'm going to put this stuff up on the screen. Brothers and sisters, Stellantis notified the local union that they will be indefinitely laying off 51 full-time employees as of October 26th. That's in a couple of days. The local is also scheduling a meeting by the end of the month with UIA, United Way Michigan Works, and Detroit AT Works, Detroit at Works. As soon as we have a confirmed date for all parties, we'll communicate as soon as we can. And you can start to see where the employees are getting a little worried because they go, how will the 51 be selected? Will it go in each department again? Is there a master number the company's looking to reach? The week by week is stressful. Yeah, I get it. It's got to be stressful. You got people that have been there for over 10 years that don't even know now if their jobs are secure. And what's crazy about this is, so I hear about this, right? So you got 51 right here, gone. 51 people, they're indefinitely laid off, gone. And now we're looking at even more indefinite layoffs. Let me just be clear about what indefinite layoff means, right? They say like, oh, it's an indefinite layoff. But as people found out at Warren, depending on like your seniority, whatever, it ended up actually becoming a firing. There was no portal, nothing to get into, nothing to transfer to a different place. See if you could get a job at a different assembly plant doing something else. No, wasn't the case at all. Anyways, I saw this news. I got this information that came in. I thought it was relevant to share that with you guys, and I wanted to get it out to you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. I feel sorry for those that are affected with this issue, and I hope that the company gets their crap together. I'm hoping that they get their crap together, because just seeing this around this time of the year with people literally basically being screwed before the holidays kind of sucks, and it could have been prevented. Anyways, Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.